Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says more, more, more. Then eats a giant candy where as yum, 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 chew, chew, chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin, spin, spin around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom, boom, boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all raped right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead they. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play.